So we have the mid-century modern entertainment center from AODK. Now in this video, I'm just going to do a quick overview of the assembly process and show you what the finished product looks like. So the assembly process was super easy. Everything was nicely labeled for me. They gave me all the tools that I needed, and I was able to get it put together by myself in about 45 minutes. There's really less than 10 steps to it. It was all very straightforward and simple. And there are two things that I do want to highlight about this entertainment center because I demo a bunch of these. First, with the doors, they were easily installed and they slide smoothly back and forth, which I love. And the second thing I love about this entertainment center is this brand does give you furniture pads. So that's normally doesn't happen. You have to have your own, but this one, it comes with the furniture pads, which is super nice if you're going to be putting this on a wood floor. And now here's what the finished product is going to look like. So overall, I love the walnut wood on it. The fluted doors on the front give off that perfect mid-century vibe that I was going for. And like I said before, the assembly process was super easy. And that's really what I want. I'm not much of a handyman, so I always appreciate that when the furniture goes together as simple as this one did. And it also is pretty big, so it is 59 inches in length. So if you do want to put a larger TV on there, you could definitely do that. Otherwise, I could see this being used in a bunch of different ways other than just a TV stand, whatever would work best for your house. So super happy with this. I give it 2 thumbs up.